What is up? What is up, guys? Welcome to my office. So today I've been getting a lot of questions about trading and Forex, so I kind of wanted to do a little video to go over that. So I want to start with, what is Forex? Forex is short for the foreign exchange currency market. And that is a $1 trillion market that literally is just currencies across the world. It's the most liquid market in the world. It's bigger than the stock exchange, it's bigger than NASDAQ, CDs, bonds. It's literally the biggest in the world. It's the most liquid. And say you were going to another country. Like last year, for instance, I went to England, Spain, Portugal, Colombia, and France, and in every single one of those countries I had to get different currencies. My US dollars were not good there. My credit card was, but if I wanted to use cash for tipping or just for whatever, I had to exchange my dollars for either the euro, for the pound. It was different currencies. Anyways, and even on your credit card, they will charge you an exchange rate too, if you notice, of whatever the dollar versus the euro, the dollar versus the pound, the dollar versus the peso, whatever it is at that time. So how do you make money in the market? Well, you make money when the stocks, as you can see this little ticker, when the price of the currency is either going up or going down. Like if you listen to, say, Bloomberg, for instance, they may say the value of the dollar is tanking or the value of the dollar is really going up. So whenever that goes up or down, you're making money. So if it goes up, you buy, you make money. If it goes down, you sell, and you make money. And you can do that not just with Forex, you can do that with indices, which is like SPX, US 30, which is, US 30 is my babe. You can do that with crypto. Everyone wants to talk about Bitcoin right now, because Bitcoin is going to the moon. So you can even trade on Bitcoin and other crypto altcoins out there as well, which is super great. And it all works the same way. You literally can buy or sell it. And this is the same thing that like big banks and institutions do. Like actually, whenever you put your money into a bank, say it's sitting in a savings account getting maybe 1% return if you're lucky, which does not even cover the cost of inflation, first of all. Anyways, the bank literally, like, if you were to put, say if you had $100,000, you put it in the bank, you would not have access to your $100,000 immediately. Like, you would have to call the bank and ask them to get your $100,000 back, because when you give the bank money, they're literally using your money to make more money for themselves. They're putting their money into the markets, into the foreign exchange, into the stock exchange, into these big trades too. So they're doing it just with a scale of millions and millions of dollars, and you're actually able to do that too with whatever your budget allows, whether it's $50, which is the amazing thing about the Forex, is you don't have to have a lot of money to invest in Forex. You can start with as little as $50 in Forex, and with time and practice and patience, you can grow that. Indices do require a little bit more, probably around 500 for SPX, 1,000 I would say is minimum for US 30, but it doesn't, to the average person, that's really doable. You don't have to have these millions of dollars that the banks do to have these big moves. Anyways, now how do you become profitable doing this? That's the question, because you're not banks, you don't have a whole team of financial experts doing this. Well, how I become profitable is I joined the Wealth Club, which is with iMarkets Live, and literally I went through an academy to learn how to do trading. They do the basics. They've got go live instructors and mentors that they're doing live trading sessions, and you're doing the trades with them, and you can actually get signals in the market too. So I just dropped my phone. For instance, this is Wealth Club. We have in Telegram, we have one that's just trade ideas. So we've got a lot of like top notch traders in Wealth Club, and they'll literally hit the the beautiful thing about this is the market's open 24/7. And we've got traders in here that trade at different times of the day. So we've got some people that like to trade in the morning from like 8 to 10. We've got some that trade in the afternoon. They get bored. They want to hop on around like 2 to 3. We've got some that trade, from 7 to 9. And some people do the London session, which is midnight, 2 a.m. Like I'll wake up and I'm on East Coast time and my phone will be like flooded with trade ideas from all of our traders that were doing the London session. So it's really great. And literally with that, so you get these, this for instance was one on the New Zealand dollar. It's a trade idea. It'll give you the take profit, stop loss. It's not really showing. Anyways, let me try to find another one. But it'll give you like here, TP, stop loss, take this. And what you do is this is straight from my phone. So this is why we call it a Wi-Fi money. You do that, you put it in your MetaTrader 4. You can say we're gonna do the New Zealand dollar right here. You can do your take profit and your stop loss, buy or sell, whatever the signal is, and bam, you're in the market and you're gonna make a profit. Most of the time. Not always, we do lose, but the key to this is that you win more than you lose. And how do you start? How do you get those signals? You get the signals by signing up with my academy with the Wealth Cloud through iMarkets Live. And that gives you access to all of the training, so you can go from start to finish of learning the basics of the market to be able to do this by yourself. And the good thing about iMarkets Live is they give you the training, you have got the Go Live educators, you got the signals, so you're basically getting signals so you can take trades while you're learning at the same time. So you kind of like earn while you learn in a sense. Profits are not guaranteed, however, you can learn while you earn. And the good thing about it is there's so many different strategies, there's so many different times a day, so it really can work with like any schedule, whether you want to do like quick 5-minute trades, or if you're somebody who's got patience and you can do like week-long trades, everything is in there. And you're also learning how to do it. So of course you want to get the signals and everything, but the best thing is like, if you really want to apply the effort, you can learn to do this on your own, which is one thing that I've done. And now like, I go on the Go Lives. I never miss a Go Live session, especially with the Gold Cup. It's my absolute favorite session, and I go on with them. I trade with them, but then I can also, whenever I want to make money, I can literally pull up, see what we got going, see if I like the market. If I like the market, I'm going to do something. Boom. I can make my car payment. I can make my lunch money. I can make whatever straight from my cell phone. It's the most beautiful thing in the world, and it is truly something that is life-changing. And I know a lot of people are looking for side hustles and ways to make more money. That kind of like helps to compound, because you never want to trade your time for money. That's like the lowest level of income that you can ever do. You want to be able to have that compound and grow and build, and this is something where it's like super quick in and out. There is a tuition cost for it. There definitely is a tuition cost, although we do have a way to sponsor that to get it for free for you. But this is truly an investment. It's an investment in yourself. What I have invested into the tuition for the company, I have got back tenfold based off of the returns and my results and what I get. It's not a cost. A cost is something like a shirt or like my Apple Watch. Actually, I really like my Apple Watch, but something consumable that you literally just spend money on and get nothing out of it. But an investment is something where you get value. You're going to get more money. You're going to get more time. You're going to be able to, change the way your financial future is, or your family's future. So investments are things that we really need to be looking into. But so that's a little bit about Forex and the market and trading. So it is, like I said, guys, I absolutely love it. And I'm somebody who, I dropped out of college. Yes, I was a bio major. Okay. However, I dropped out because I could not handle physics and calc and stats. Algebra, I could do trig, that was fine. But everything else was like, it just didn't click for me. So, You don't have to be a math whiz or a genius to do it. Like, it's broken down so simple, and it just takes time, repetition. But you guys can totally do this. And if you have any questions, like I said, I've been getting a lot of questions. That I kind of just wanted to get this out there for everybody. But please, like, DM me. Let's start a conversation. We can set up a time to talk. I would love to help you guys, because this is something that is completely valuable and the best decision I've made in my life, and I just want to bless that to other people as well. So have a beautiful day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Much love. Mwah.